Hello viewers, and today we are trying to grow some tomatoes indoors. So let's get started. For that I have taken regular potting mix in a shallow pot. This is a 6-inch deep pot, and this is a rectangular long pot that I can put on my windowsill. So I'm filling it with the regular potting mix, and for the tomato seeds I have sliced the tomato, the regular ripe tomato. I have sliced it, and I'll be placing these slices just in the soil, just like that. And I'm just doing an experiment to see if it really grows indoors. And I'm going to cover these slices with a very thin layer of the same potting mix which I have filled in the pot. And also while slicing, although I made thin slices, I made sure that I do not cut the seeds. So they should be intact, at least most of them should be intact while we are chopping them. And I have pretty much covered it with the soil. I'm just doing it very lightly. It just needs a very light cover of soil. And I'm just doing half of the pot, as you can see. Now I'm watering it very lightly, like with a shower. So I have pinched holes in the bottle cap, and then I'm showering it with water. So for the rest half of my soil, I'm gonna experiment with the bell peppers to see if they grow inside. So let's see what happens. So this is day 12 result, and I placed my pot on a west facing window, and I can see that pretty much all the seeds in the slices have germinated. So this is really good. All the 3 slices did really well, and pretty much all their seeds germinated. So this is a very good result. This is almost a month result, so day 30, and they are growing really tall and they look strong and healthy. So really excited. So this is a day 10 days after a month, so day 40, and they're really gaining height. And again guys, this is a west facing window. So this is the update till now. I'm going to thin out these plants because they're really crowded, and see what happens. And I'll be sharing my video in the next session. Thanks.